This is a Dream on Me play yard. It's for style numbers 435 and style numbers 436. The way you open this, it has the center always has to be up. You put your hands over here on the sides and everything should snap on. Not from the middle, from the sides. It should snap on. Push the bottom down. Put the mat in. And you're ready to go. Closing it, same way. It will not go down if the center is not up. Both fingers like this. And you have it closed up. If the center is closed, the sides will not snap in. That's the safety feature on them. That's it. Dream on Me play yard. It's for style numbers 435 and style numbers 436.